Day 8 of deliberations in the Madigan corruption trial, and jurors had a question for the judge, but he wasn't in the courtroom. Our Dorothy Tucker and legal analyst Irv Miller were there for all of today's developments and join us live from the Dirksen Federal Building. Let's start with you, Dorothy.
Well, Erica, Irv and I got to the courthouse about noon today, and that was the first thing that we learned, that the presiding judge was not there. An emergency judge was in his place. So, Irv, when the jury came back with the question, in order for them to answer that question, the emergency judge had to call the presiding judge. That, to me, seemed like a big deal.
It's not a big deal at all. There's always an emergency judge on duty, just in case the regularly assigned presiding judge can't be in court. But the emergency judge doesn't make any substantive rulings because he doesn't know anything about the case. So what happened today is the substitute emergency judge basically contacted the presiding judge by telephone and by text to try to get the presiding judge's rulings on what that emergency judge should tell the jury, and that's exactly what happened today.
Well, let's talk about the question that the jury had, because it looked like it went to the heart of this case. It had to do with jobs being used as bribes.
It was a substantial clarification of a prior jury instruction. The jury sent a note, "Judge, we have a problem with these instructions. Can you help us out?" And the judge, and the ruling was, "We will help you out." And he clarified the instructions, saying, "Hey, listen, if ComEd gave these guys no-show jobs and paid them money with the intent to influence Michael Madigan, Speaker of the House, that could constitute bribery. Or was it legitimate payments to them, even though they didn't report for a job?" So it's up to the jury to find the facts, apply the law, and render a verdict.
Quick, who does this benefit, prosecution or defense?
It helps the prosecution because it clarifies the instructions for the jury, but it also helps the defense because they basically want confusion at this time, so there will be no verdict.
All right, Erica, and something else that Irv said a little earlier, this could also mean that these deliberations could go on for a little bit longer. But Monday, the jury is back.
All
back
right.
to you, Erica.
Dorothy and Irv, thank you.